people, welcome back to my channel. It's Meghna. So today's video is gonna be a little interesting as I had cut my hair all by myself for the first time, and it has come out really well, guys. I mean, I have a different look on my face and it's done all by myself. This video is going to be a little longer because I have covered each and every step in detail so that it's easier for you all to try on this in the right manner. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Okay, let's just start with the video without any further ado. So guys, first we need to comb our hair and make sure that there are no tangles at all. Also, make sure that you have washed your hair properly on the same day. Greasy scalp might hamper the cutting process. So after the hair is tangle free, push your hair upside down and again brush it well to ensure that there are no tangles. Now what we want to do is collect all the hair and tie it as a tight ponytail with the help of a hair elastic. The ponytail should be at the center of your forehead. The ponytail should be really tight such that no hair strand gets out of it. Try to make it as tight as possible. Now, pull the hair tie downwards till the end to have 2 inches of hair left. Now take the scissor and start cutting your hair 1 inch from the bottom. Make a straight cut. If the cut is not straight, don't worry, you have secured the hair with the hair tie so you can take your time and number of attempts to make it straight. As you are doing it for the first time, take your time and do it the straight way as possible. Now when the hair is cut, take the scissor and tilt it at 45-degree angle and put random strokes to even out the edges of the cut. This will make the cut even natural and there would not be any harsh edges. Once done, release the hair tie and your first layer would look something like this. So for the second layer, put the fingertips below your ears and go back to grab the hair till the both fingers meet. Now work the same way as you did with the first layer. Guys, always detangle your hair or else your haircut would not come out to be natural. First, always cut 1 inch of hair. If you want to alter the length, then cut further half or 1 inch after cutting the first inch. Once again, after cutting, put random strokes at 45-degree angle. So, after the second layer of your hair is done, your hair would look something like this. Now for the third layer, put your fingers at the edge of your eyebrows and grab the hair as earlier and repeat all the steps. In the third layer, I am cutting about 1.5 inches of hair. It's all up to you guys. If you want to alter the hair length, do it, or else keep on with the 1 inch cutting only. This method is quite easy and doable. It says that to maintain your hair growth and nourishment, you should trim your hair in every 3 to 4 months. But I am not comfortable with going to the salon and trimming your hair because regardless of the number of times you ask them not to shorten the length too much, you would end up having shorter hair, which I regret every time. As you can see, there are layers in my hair. So after the third layer is cut, your look would be something like this. After the third layer, you want to like to further work out with your band. So grab a section of hair in the crown area which you would take for making your poof or so and repeat the first steps of the previous process. Untangle your hair and secure it with the help of a tight hair tie. But in this, do not pull the hair tie straight downwards, just do it in a little angular manner. Then, mark the point where you want your bangs to be. Mine is just below the chin. Now, you want to hold the scissor tilted and cut an angle of 45 degrees or so. The cut should be slightly slanting. As you can see, the cut is slanting. Now release the hair and the finished look would be something like this. Brush up your hair and set them as you would do normally. So this is such an easy process, guys. You can do it every time you want to. Voila, you did it. Self-cutting of hair in layers. Enjoy your newly cut hair without much shortening of hair. So if you found this video interesting, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.